I'm going to compare PVC decking and composite decking. This is TimberTech AZEK PVC deck board, and that is Trex composite deck board. The major difference between the two, one is going to be slightly more expensive. This is going to be more affordable. AZEK or any PVC decking will not heat up as much in the sun. Composite will heat up more in the sun. PVC is lighter, easier to handle, easier to install. Composite, a little more effort to install. The other main difference is that a PVC board will never absorb any water. You can submerge it in the water, you can put it beside a pool, doesn't matter. It will never absorb any water. It's 100% PVC. A composite deck board is made of polyethylene and wood chips. So if you have it near a water source, it will start absorbing water, which is not good. If your deck is close to a water body, do not go with a composite deck board. In terms of scratch resistance, they're about the same. In terms of expansion and contraction, PVC will expand and contract a little more. In terms of the price, as I said, you'll generally pay more for a PVC deck board. And in terms of heat absorption, if you have a lot of sun exposure, it's probably better going with a PVC board, and it's better going with a lighter color. A composite will heat up more. In terms of the warranty and other things, they're about the same. If you're doing a commercial project, PVC deck boards have a great Class A fire rating, which is a must for some commercial projects. Composite deck boards do not have that fire rating. In terms of installation, it's about the same, but if you're doing it yourself, lifting up heavier boards will take a toll on you. Other than that, there are really no major difference between the two, and both can work depending on budget, where your deck is located, and if it's a commercial or residential deck. Lastly, I guess slip resistance is about the same on both. So whatever fits your project best, you decide, which material is better, but these are the major differences.